Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use Stable Diffusion XL 0.9 on Google Colab for free. So before getting started, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. We have covered an article about how to use Stable Diffusion XL 0.9 for free. Article link is provided in the description. Please check it out. Okay, now let's get started. Visit GitHub and open the Google Colab link in a new tab to use the latest Stable Diffusion XL 0.9. You need an access token form. Hugging Face, log into your Hugging Face account. Provide your details and accept the terms and services to use SDXL. Then it will verify you automatically. Now click this link to get an access token. To create a new access token, click the new token option, enter the name, role, and select generate token. Now the new token will be generated. Copy the access token and paste it in the access token. In Google Colab, click the play icon for the first cell. Click the play icon below the access token after the first one is completed. It will install all necessary models and requirements to run a Stable Diffusion XL in Google Colab. Wait until it's completed. Once the installation is completed, you can see the green check mark near the play icon. Run the next cell by clicking the play icon. It will start a new Gradio interface for us to use. Once the installation is completed, you will get a link to work with Stable Diffusion. Right-click the link and open in a new tab. Now we can see our Stable Diffusion XL interface.
Okay, so let's start creating images with SDXL.
Here you can set the number of images that need to be generated. You can set the options for image generation in advanced settings. Now, just enter your prompt and click generate. You can see the generated images for your prompts. Amazing, right? Let's set the number of generated images to 3 and try with another prompt. Now you can see 3 images for your prompt. You can download the images by right-clicking and save. Well, that's all for this video. Hope this video provides helpful information about how to use Stable Diffusion XL 0.9 on Google Colab for free. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.